Okay, now we have to log in to BigCommerce. Okay, here we are. Okay, now we are on the dashboard. Okay, let's start. First, you have to click storefront. In the beginning, you've already signed in to you when you're provided already with your dashboard. As this is almost all the same with the other hosting, you have to go first to start to build your website. Okay, go to storefront. Then these are the themes. Different kind of themes. You can choose from any of them, whichever you like. Now these are all the things are showing here are free website. If you want, what is this? What is thing is okay? Here are the all is here. All those paid themes and free. But for the meantime, while you are just starting, you have to prepare use the free. Okay, these are all the free themes. You can choose from any of this one here, which is showing here, and then you have to edit that later on, and you can put whatever you want to put. Okay, like this is the industries. If you are arts and crafts, animals and pets, automotive, electronics, computers, food, beverage, gifts and specialty, health and beauty, home and garden, box, entertainment, sports and recreation, toys and games. These are the industries where you can choose. But if you want, what is this? Free. Here it is mentioned here, free. Just select from them. We cannot just select it from now because we are just doing a demonstration from my website. If I click any one of this, let's see this one or this one, my store here will be override, and there will be it will create some problem because there is a lot of process to go back to my store. But later on I will display my store. Okay, here if you want to view it. But once you have already created your store, every time you can view your store here. Then you can change. If you want to change your theme, you can go back here and change. Okay, now we are here in the themes. Okay, let's you select this one. After that, you have chosen that one that will appear here as your what is this theme. Once it is appeared, it is mentioned here that mentioned here it will show that upload. Then you click that upload, and the theme you prepared will be showing here in the center. After that, the next thing you have to do is you have to create your own logo here. Okay, here you can select your logo, enter the text to display as your logo, or upload a custom image to use as your logo, like this one. This is my logo. Okay, now if that is the logo preview. Here you can optimize your theme here. Just click this one. Okay, and if you want to adjust the position of your logo, you have to launch the theme editor. Okay, now you see here Chipbuys.com. That is my logo. Okay, after that, after creation of logo, you have to create your homepage carousel. Okay, now this is your homepage carousel. This is an example. Once you have created your homepage carousel, here you have to save that. Every time when you create something that needs to be saved, you have to save. This X here, when you click this one, that will be removed. That means you have to delete all of them. If you want to change all of them, you just click this, click this, click this, click all X. And this is the slide number 1, slide number 2, slide number 3, slide number 4, and slide number 5. You can interchange them. If you want this to be here, this to be here, that is possible. Okay, now, when you create that is mentioned here, you can put a text over here from the heading. Like this one, I put a text here for here. Shop now, 20% discount and free shipping. Okay, then that will appear here. Okay, every time you have to do that. If you want to change, you can change that. Everything what you want to write here, you can write. Okay, after you create that, you save and go to the next step. Social media links. Okay, these are the social media links. You have the Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. These are the available network. So you can, if you can see, you can use that and you just save that, and that will appear on your website. If you don't play it, you don't want Instagram, just click this and that will be erased from here. Okay, now after you have created your social media, next you have saved that already, then you have to go to your footer scripts. Okay, okay, now we are in the footer scripts. These footer scripts, these are what they call HTML code, which is converted once you have this is converted into a picture, the one that you will see later in my website. Okay, and now once you have created, you have input what is this, a footer something here, you have to save that also. Okay, now we go to the next step, save, then go to web pages. Okay, in my these are the web pages in this website. We have about us, policy, contact us, shipping and returns, blogs, and RSS syndication. These are all visible. You see, it is marked here visible. It is a normal page. This what is this, blogs is a built-in. That's already there. When you create the website, that's already there. But these other pages like about us, you will have to create that. Here is create a web pages. Once you have create a web pages, it will that will show here. Later I will here. Then once you have create, let's say we want to create a web page. Okay, the web page you have to create, you have to follow this page content created using YWG editor below. That is always already there. You just leave it there, and because the other thing you don't have to do anything from here. Okay, then the web page details here is name. Let's say what you want to write here for your page. Let's say blogs, okay, or about us for your website. Then you have to write here about us. Then page URL, same, about us. And here, just mention a few things about what you want to say. Okay, about your blog or about your website here. Then after you have created that, you have to save that. If you want another, just click this one and another will come. If not, just leave it and proceed to the next steps. Here, blogs that is already built in. You can create blogs later. You will learn how to create that blogs like what I did. Cheap buys about us. This one, if you can check from my website about us, there you will see that is telling something about my website. That's over here. If you click that, you can unpublish. Then if you unpublish this, if I do that, then this will be deleted from here. If I want to view, then I will see what is about us, what is that telling about us, about the website. If you want to edit, you want to change something like that, you have to go click the editing. Okay, if you want to delete that, just go delete. Okay, that's it. Okay, now, and you that will automatically appear on once you have published that. Once you have published that, automatically that will go to your website and your about us page. Okay, now we have the image manager. Okay, here the image manager is showing here the items that I've uploaded on the image manager. Anyway, I'm not using all this what is this images and every time. I use this only if I needed it, but these are also in my files. The only thing here is that when you are going to upload the image of your item you have which you added, it is easy to get from here, unlike if you have to get it from your file in your documents or pictures. That will take time. It is better to save all your pictures or your images here. You can save a lot here, even up to 1,000 like that. You can save pictures over here. It's easy to select from here. Okay, now if you want to take it, you don't want that image anymore here, you can use this, mark this box over here and delete image. That will go. Okay, that is the function of this image manager. You have to put all your images here and you have to take it from here every time you need to upload in your products which you are adding. Okay, email templates here. These are the email templates which is included in the plan which I have purchased. Okay, all that is with check mark over here are the items included in my plan. Here, like return status change, that is an email that is already built in. Return notification, that return confirmation, product review, page contract, all of these which I checked are already there. It are already built in. Okay, so if you want to change that one, you can click here, edit, and you can change the statement over there. Oh, you want to see something, you want to replace some words or something like that, you can do that. Just do the editing. Okay, now next we have to go to the get certificate templates. Now this is the gift certificate templates. These templates are already there, built in. Only you have to fill up. Let's see, you have to create or some, you want to make a certificate. Somebody has purchased a certificate for a birthday. Let's see. Here. Just go to here, click that one. Here. And use the preview and fill up whatever is needed. That's it. And restore it. Okay. This is for birthday for the boy, celebration, Christmas, general or girl, like that. These are all the templates are already here. Very easy. Okay. Now, okay, let's go back now to now we already completed the storefront. This what we have done is the storefront. That is the front of your store. And the next chapter, we will go to the what is this? Okay, let's click this one. Go back. We have to go to the we already what is this? The setup. The setup is setting up all about your what is this store. Okay, let's take the setup. We'll see. We want to set up. This is now setting up your all information about your store profile. Okay, here is the store setup, store profile. Okay, now in your store profile, you have to put your store name here, like mine, see, Chipbuys.com, your address, okay, the address where you are doing your business. Here you have to put United States. The address is in your office. If you have a commercial site or what is that, you just click any of them. Like mine, I have my home office. Okay, and this is the email address which to be used to contact you if in case they have any questions. Okay, now the phone number. Here you have to put your phone number where they can accessibly contact you. Okay, okay, now you have to click that save. Okay, next we have to do the this is the store settings. Okay, that's the store profile, store settings. Okay, now the store settings is what is this, all information about how your product is based, how when you are shipping it, the base, how it is based, like it is your what punch, what measurement weight you use here. Okay, to understand all of this, you just click this one, enter the weight measurement used, calculating the weight of physical products in your e-commerce store. Okay, now the length, here you can check, you can choose from inches or centimeter for the length, but it is better to use inches. Okay, decimal token, you did not that. And now the thing here is these two, 1 decimal token and thousands token, you don't need that. Now decimal places 2, factoring dimensions, that here, that is the factoring dimension. Okay, now about the engine, search engine optimization. This will be your, you have to put your title here. See, specify a page title for your home page of your store, or leave blank to use the store name set above. Okay, meta keywords here. In my meta keywords, I write purchase of $65, free shipping and big savings from your Chipbuys.com. That is the meta keywords that will appear when search engine will crawl on your website. Okay, when looking for your website. Meta description. The meta description. Okay, the meta description is to display in the header on each page of your site. Use a brief sentence to describe your e-commerce shop, as this is the text Google will use to describe your site in its result. Okay, now here, if you are not using a www for your website, like me, I didn't, this one, I just write redirect to no. So when you open my website, you will not see any www dot. You just see that HTTP is there, that is registered. The HTTP is the most trusted website, because the HTTP is means your website is legitimate. Once you say a website with HT, this one HTTP and that means it is a legitimate website. That's why site here use HTTPS for entire site. Okay, then you have to save that. Okay, now about payments. How will you receive payments here? Now you have to set up your payments. Check out payment settings. You can use Braintree, or you can use PayPal, and PayPal also includes credit cards. If you choose this square, it's up to you, but I prefer to use PayPal because I am very much familiar with PayPal, and I've been long time having this account, and I trust PayPal only. Okay, here, if you get started here, click this one, then you have to fill up everything about your payment here. This one, enable test credit card. You can use this one to try how your payment or transaction is working. Okay, here, just click this one, and you have to fill up only. If you have PayPal, fill up the PayPal, accept that you mention that you have a PayPal. That's it. Okay, now shipping. Okay, now we go to shipping. This is the shipping manager. The shipping origin is the address where you ship your products from, like me. Okay, now I am shipping my products from 4065 Walnut Street. This is my address. So the products I sent, this is the products which is showing that appears on the products which I am shipping. That will appear on the box or on the address box. Okay, this is my telephone number. Okay, if you have something to change here, you just click here, edit, and you can change something. If you see you have another number, you can add another number here. Okay. Sorry. Okay, about the checkout shipping options. Now, manage your shipping zones. Shipping zones only, like me, I am just shipping only here in the United States here. If you want to ship also somewhere like in other country, you have to add here. Or if you want to ship all around the world, you just click this one, and it will give you some locations or what country you have to ship, which country you want to ship, like that. Like me, I just shipping only, I am only in the United States. I am not yet going outside. So you can see here, United States. Okay. Now, about the shipping. headquarter here. If you want to have, if you are just starting small business, you don't need this thing. Just leave that one. Okay. This thing, leave that one. You don't need that now. Okay. Okay. Shipping labels. Shipping labels. If you want to, what is this shipping labels? To create a shipping label to be you can check from, you can use USPS, United States Postal Service, or UPS, like that. But now you have to do a setup here. But I would advise, as a beginner, as a beginner, you don't need to set up all these things. That is only for big businesses. Here, just what you do, you just buy a, what is this? Create what is this? To create a level creator, and just do that. You type it, type the address of your customer, type the address of your, and paste it, or you have buy a level and paste it on the box. That's it. Okay. Now after that, after you have set up all these things, you have to save them all also. Okay. Once it is mentioned here, set up, down here will appear save. You have to save that. Okay. About the tax. Okay. Now the tax, they are computed by Albara tax. This one, this will automatically attach the tax, which is how much tax is supposed to be charged for the item you have sold. But right now you don't need that one. Just leave that one. You just put the tax, the normal tax, whichever state you are. Let's say like us, we are in Baldwin Park. We are just putting 9.5% tax, like that. When you click the tax, automatically that will come to your product. Later I will demonstrate that also. Okay, now the currencies. The currencies, what your currency you are using, your US dollar here. Just click this one. When you click this one, put the mark X here, and that will automatically check here. If you are using Japanese, then you mention here Japanese. Here, if you want to change that, you just click here and change. Okay, if you are in some other country which you are not using dollar, just click here. Okay. Now, point of sale. Point of sale. If you want to set up your point of sale, then you can use this square register. You have to click this, get started. But that is a little bit complicated and not necessary for the beginners. You can leave that one. Accounting. Okay. Now this is the accounting. Your accounting, you have the QuickBooks or the zero. Both of these are recommended. You can choose any of these, and your accounting will be updated always. But also, as I told you, for a small time, for us a small time, I don't need that QuickBooks. I didn't install that. Okay. Now you have already completed all your store setup. Now you have to start getting started. Okay. Be getting started. Here, after you have completed all these things, you have to start to add products. populate your store with products to sell. We will be discussing about that on the third topic, on the third chapter. Pick up a theme, make it yours with your branding, logo, featured products. That is where you want to customize your online store. Okay, edit shipping. Yeah, that one is already done. Once you have done that, all will be checked here. That is all your store settings. Okay. Now, once you have completed that, all of this, now it will appear, congratulations, your store is now live, happy selling. Now you can go to the dashboard and see, then you can make a review. Now, for more, check all these helpful links to accelerate your business. Here, how to add products in my store. How to do I import products? CSV file. How to delete a downloadable product. How to do customized store design. All of these are also will help you as helpful links for your web store. Okay, sorry, but now not all of them are actually needed. Okay, so we are almost done. The next time we will have more to be discussed about how to add products in your store, how to delete your products, how to add an inventory to your products, editing your products. Okay, there are lots more. Okay, I will have to create a video for that one by one. Okay, thank you very much and congratulations. Once you have completed your store, right here will show congratulations, you are ready. Next time, but you don't have to publish yet your store because actually you don't have yet what is this product in your store, so it is not advisable to publish your store. Once you have populated your store with your products, then you can start to already publish. Okay, thank you, and we will see you again next in the third chapter, adding products.